Hey Gavin, you want to try some pasta? Here's a little piece of pasta. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Don't you want the pasta? Here you go. Open up. You're not going to open up? Open. No? You want pasta? No good? No? No pasta? Just one piece. Come on. No? Here. You don't like it? Does that mean you don't like it? Here. Open up. Open up. Open up. No? You don't want the pasta? Let's just try one more time. Here you go. Want it? Want it? Here. Want the pasta? No good? Say no thank you? Alright, you don't have to eat the pasta. Alright, let's try one more time. Want pasta? No good? Okay, that's enough. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you gonna eat that pasta? Just gonna play with it. Alright, no good. Okay, bye.